Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. Now, you're getting this as a bonus because it didn't win the Patreon vote in December. Another tune did, which I will be doing this month also. But I actually worked it all out and then got to this point and went, oh wait, it wasn't this one. So let's crack on. Standard tuning, very, very nice. And the intro has a little synth part which goes, I'm going to play it with fingers. So you're basically playing a D shape. You're only playing the top three, and then thumb over the top for the F sharp in the root. Then just take your second finger off. That's actually an F sharp minor. So you've got D with F sharp in the bass. And that goes around 4 times. Then, you can play this with fingerers or you can play it with pick. I'm going to go with pick because there's quite a lot of attack in it and it's a lot easier actually. So the intro part goes like this. Something along those lines. So we have this D basically, but you're playing it up here, 0, 7, 7, and you're going to play. Doesn't really matter with fingers. It actually makes more sense, but you really need the attack, I think. That sounds nicer to me, so I would probably use fingers if I wasn't playing along with the track itself, right? But it's very hard to be heard otherwise. So then you go up here. This is an F sharp minor, but you're only going to catch 3 strings, 11, 11, 10. Again, doesn't matter if you hit the root. And then you go back. Same, but you're just going down an octave. Playing part of, so you could play the whole chord. You could do that, right, and flesh it out, but he's just playing parts of the chord. Then the 5th bar. Similar to the first bar actually. Down, down, up, down. Then you do this sus4, A sus4. And then you're going to do a little alternate picking there, and then you go to an E major, but with the sus4. So fret the whole E chord, then add your little finger, and then you're going to play with that rhythm. Again, doesn't matter if you hit, either one of those will do. I like to hit the low E as a sort of passing note to keep in time. That one there, that last one. Then you are into the verse. The verse is cool. You're going to do a D5, S sharp minor. Then 2 bars of A. B7, 2 bars, then to E, the 2 bars with the sus4. But he plays this. So there's this pulse going on with the bass notes. That's what the bass line's doing, right? So you're going to just accompany that with some chords. So slowly. That's probably worth chatting through. So we have a D5. Then we have part of an F sharp minor. So rather than playing... And you could do that if you want, but I think he's just fretting. And then I use my second finger to walk up, right? So you've got... So think about that as in terms of the bass line, right? Then I flatten my first finger for the A. Then put your third finger on the 4th fret. And you go to a B7. Little finger on the 2nd fret on the E. Could actually do... Could do that. And you're back to the E for 2 bars. Okay, so the B7, I would just do, you know, 2nd finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, like that. And then 2. And there you've just got, and you just got an E sus4 there. 1, 2, 1, right? While you're maintaining that chord shape. Then you go into the chorus, which is the same as the intro pretty much. Play that round twice, and then you repeat the verse and the chorus. Coming out of the chorus again, you when you get to the E, so let's go from this part. You repeat that twice, right? That E sus4 to E, okay? Then once around the chorus again. You got that little run at the end, so it's... So I'm using my 2nd finger to hammer on from the 2nd to the 4th fret. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Then move your 1st finger like up a string and up 1 fret. And you're going to hammer on that last, those last 2 8th notes. Then you're into the middle 8, which goes. Second time it plays it again, but the 4th bar does a little fill. Something along those lines, right? So you've got this 4, 2, 0, and then a pull off. So like that, right? But while you hold this shape. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? Now for the next part, if I was doing fingerstyle, I would do the D5. Then I would do this. But with pick, I would do this. I would go an A sus2, and I would hammer on. Like that. Okay, but while you're playing the chord. Then we go back to F sharp to A. B7. But then we go back to D before we go to E, okay? You're doing that again, okay? Then outro chorus, which is basically the same as the normal chorus, but it ends with 2 of the E sus4. So we go. So you would play that on the second time. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed that one, even though I shouldn't have really done it. Enjoy.